In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Sheets on PC and work offline. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Google Sheets homepage. This is the main page where you can view your spreadsheets, create new ones, and manage your recent files. Make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on, because the install option appears through Chrome's menu. Once you are on the Google Sheets homepage, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the browser menu, where you'll find a variety of options related to browsing, saving, and installing web apps. From that menu, hover over the option labeled Cast, Save and Share. When the side menu appears, choose Install Page as App. In some cases, depending on your Chrome version, you may instead see Install Google Sheets. Either option is fine, and both are designed to install Google Sheets so it behaves more like a dedicated desktop app on your PC. After you click that option, a pop-up confirmation window will appear. Go ahead and click Install. Chrome will then create the app for you, and Google Sheets should open in its own separate window. This can make it feel cleaner and easier to access, especially if you use spreadsheets regularly and want a more app-like experience instead of keeping everything in a browser tab. Now that Google Sheets is installed, the next part is enabling offline access, so you can keep working even when your internet connection is unavailable. One way to do this is directly from the Google Sheets homepage. Find any spreadsheet in your list, then click the 3 dots icon next to that file name. In the menu that opens, look for the available offline option and turn it on. This tells Google Sheets to store the file locally so you can open and edit it without being connected to the internet. Here is also another way to do the same thing if the spreadsheet is already open. With the sheet on your screen, click File in the top menu bar. Then look for Make Available Offline and turn that on. This method is useful if you are already working inside the document and want to enable offline mode without going back to the home page. Keep in mind that offline access may take a moment to sync, so it's a good idea to let the file finish updating before closing the window. That way, your latest version is stored properly and ready when you need it. Thanks for watching.